We view 3D printing, which is a type of additive manufacturing, as being a potential game changer to the way we do space travel and long-term living in space.
So now it's printing the filling.
3D printing for the first time will give us an opportunity to build our own systems, our own components in space, to build the repair pieces, to manufacture the small parts that otherwise we'd have to wait, frankly, too long to get on a next space flight for resupply.
Yeah, right, and you can make one just like that, in a matter of hours.
One of the great things about 3D printers is it gets rid of some words in our vocabulary, things like scarce, ration, and irreplaceable. Because if you lose something, you can simply print another one. The practical implication of 3D printing in space is you have to take less stuff with you. Going up into orbit takes a lot of fuel and costs a lot of money. The less you have to take with you, the more economical it is.
If we're talking about long-term space exploration, visiting asteroid, the moon, or Mars, you're really talking about bringing your machine shop with you. You're talking about bringing all of your amenities on Earth along for the ride.
Space, if you launch this, it's going to cost you, hundreds of thousands. Where the plastic represents where a circuit board could go.
Leveraging 3D printing and all of the techniques of advanced manufacturing for long-duration spaceflight will allow us to reach further and further away from home.
And it'll be done printing. You just pull out the tray, and your wrench will be done. Should have got a manicure. Oh yeah, they still would show through if I had like a friend. It's computer and power supply, so data and power lines are fed into our printer, powered by this.
So what we're doing is we're trying to change the game in the way that if you need something, on demand, you can build it. Let's say it's as small as if the toilet breaks, and it's as large as if the oxygen system in the ship breaks.
So I have a lot of favorites, obviously. This group is a bunch of tools that we've designed. We've designed lots of different containers that can hold samples. Yeah. This is just a neat shape. We can build buckles and snap fits. This is actually a design of a buckle that's on the space station today, so you can see. The real challenge that we faced was designing a printer that would work in zero gravity, and all the printers today have been designed with gravity in mind. So what it came down to was ruggedizing every bit of that printer so that only parts moved when you needed it to move. And
The ultimate goal for this is to allow humans to live outside of the Earth's bounds for long periods of time in a self-sustainable fashion without shipping all air, all water, all materials, all food stuff.